guys, it's Maddie from Glam with Maddie, and today I'm going to be removing my makeup. So in order to do this, I'm using the Mitty from the brand Take My Face Off. Now this video isn't sponsored, but I do want to thank them so much for sending these to me. So basically the Mitty, this little reusable makeup remover, kind of like not a towel, but it would be in place of like a cotton ball, a cotton round, or like a not reusable, or like a disposable wipe. So basically you would like wet this and you'd put your cleanser on it and rub it all over your face, and there's two different ends. There's the more pointed end, which you can put your fingers into for the more detailed eye, or while you're doing your eyeshadow and you want a sharp edge, you could clean it up with that. And then the other side is for your face. So now this was designed to be very eco-friendly, so you're not using so many disposable items to remove your makeup. Instead, you can use these, put them in the washing machine, and you're helping with the planet. And also it's good for you because, well, one, you don't have to go buy those again and again, but it's nice that you can just put it in the wash and you know that it's clean and you know where these have been. So today for this video, I'm going to be using the blue one. And so as you can see, I just dampened it with some water. And I like to use coconut oil to remove my makeup. So I'm just going to put my fingers in. I'm going to dip into the coconut oil. So normally I'd use my fingers for this. I don't really use cotton balls. I kind of just like go in with my hands. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but that's kind of what I do. So I hope this does a really good job. So coconut oil, it's falling off. Okay, here. Now I'm just gonna rub this onto my face. Now it feels really, really soft. And it's super gentle, like I don't feel like it's pulling my skin, it's going on very smoothly. Oh wow, it came off so easily. That's not highlighter, that's just the coconut oil and the light that I have. It just came off super, super easily. Okay, now I'm gonna flip it and use the more pointed side to get off my eyeshadow. Okay, let's go in. Try to be a little more soft when removing your eye makeup. It looks like I'm trying to like hurt myself or like, I don't know, but yeah, don't do that. Okay, I'm super surprised. This is working so nicely. Normally I have to go in with so much coconut oil and like really get in to remove everything. Just a couple times it's already removing, but I am going to use a little bit more coconut oil just to be safe, you know, but this is doing such a good job. Oh, and also my eyebrow, don't want to forget about that. A chunk of coconut oil just fell off, so I'll just use that. Okay. So the liquid eyeshadow that I was using did have some glitter in it, and I don't know if you can see, but the glitter isn't all gone, and it'll definitely come off all the way when I'm washing my face, but I did notice that. Okay, now for the other half of my face, it does say that you don't have to use water to dampen it, so now I'm going to use the black one with coconut oil, and I'm going to use it dry to see if there's any difference. I'm just going to put my fingers in. I think this is such a good idea because I don't have to like grab onto a towel with my hand or like a cotton ball. Like I can just like stick it in, you know? I don't know, I think it's such a good idea. Okay, now we're going to go in. It kind of feels the same, and it still did a good job. Okay, now I'm going to flip over to the more pointed side, and I'm going to get a little more coconut oil because not a lot got on that side when I dipped it originally. Okay, that looks good. Now we're just going to remove my eye makeup on the other half of my face. Now, I do think the eyeliner came off a little bit easier with the more dampened one, but I'm still not complaining. It's not taking that much to take it off. Now, there is still a bunch of glitter on my face on this half. So on the blue one, at least you can see how much makeup got on, and on the black one you can't really see, but there's some glitter particles. So it did remove a bunch of my makeup. Well, obviously there isn't any on my face. I think this did a really good job. I'm super impressed with how this did. So now I'm gonna wash my face, put on some toner and moisturizer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with a clean and fresh face, and now I'm going to go over my final thoughts. So what would I rate this? I would rate this a 9.5 out of 10, and now I know this is like a really, really high rating, but I think it did an amazing job at removing my makeup, and I really like the idea behind this about helping with our planet and having more reusable products instead of disposable products. Now, the little half point is because it didn't get all of the glitter off of my face, but besides that, I think it removed everything else. Now, would I recommend this product to you? I would definitely recommend this to you if you wear makeup and need something to really help remove the makeup off of your face. Now, it's so important that we have a clean face because if you want to reduce the amount of pimples that you have, you want to clear your pores, then you definitely need to go to sleep with a clean and fresh face. Now, would I use this again? I would definitely use this again, and I'm probably going to put it in the wash and use it tomorrow to remove my makeup. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Follow my Instagram at GlamWithMaddie and subscribe for more. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye!